Hai, Assalamualaikum. Selamat Hari Raya Haji. Ikut SOP, jaga jarak sosial, pakai mask, hand sanitizer, basuh tangan. Take care of each other, okay? Ni I nak share dengan you guys how I do my makeup every time. Bila I go for video shoot, I opt for natural look lah because I want to look like me. With or without makeup. I ada masalah makeup selalu cair in the middle of the day. Belum habis shoot lagi, makeup dah cair. So I talked to my MUA friends and I found out I have to change a few things lah. So I went out and bought foundation, primer, concealer. So my foundation sebelum ni has a dewy finishing, so that is the culprit. Makeup senang cair lah, especially bila berpeluh. So my MUA friends suggested me untuk cari foundation yang matte finishing. So I bought this Estee Lauder Double Wear. Tapi I ada masalah lagi guys. My skin is as dry as Sahara. I have to pakai hydrating primer. Jom kita make up. I have done my skin prep. Just gonna blot my face with tissue. Here, hydrating primer. Tarte Base Stay. Wow, bau dia macam coconut guys. And then I'm gonna spray with Nita Cosmetics Set and Spray. By the way, I memang peminat X-Men, so I collect X-Men stuffs. Our foundation. So the trick is, okay, jari and then tekupkan dia. Yeah. So I was told this is all I need for my whole face, but I feel like it's a big lie. Yeah, I think for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put on one layer. Okay, this is the first layer. Kalau for video shoot ke, maybe 2 layers kot. Yeah. So next kita letak concealer. Applicator dia besar. So I wanna try conceal my under eye without orangey character. For bedak, I'm using this one. It's also a local product. So, moving on to eyes. This is my palette. I beli kat Shopee je. First, I'm gonna take this colour. You know what guys, korang pernah tengok tak Bobbi Brown? Dia cakap, for eyeshadow, the best tool is your finger. Pakai finger je. After that, I'm gonna take this one. So, for inner lip pula, I'm gonna take this one. Korang tengok je lah I bantai je ni. Wayne Goss kata your eyeshadow tak boleh keluar daripada this barrier. So this is your hujung kening. So takat macam ni je. Macam tu. So this one also. So I'm gonna blend out. Okay. Not a big fan of glitter, so this will do for my eyes. So we're gonna do mascara. So I'm gonna prep my lashes with Lash and Brow Gel by Essence. I tak ada yang apa lah, what do you call that, yang ketip tu. I tak ada benda tu sebab it's scary as hell. Walaupun I tak ada insiden yang menakutkan macam terkepit my lid ke. Ni tak simpak. Okay, so for my mascara, I'm using this Magnum Big Shot by Maybelline. I gave up long time ago putting on eyeliner guys. First, I suck at it. Second, it's a waste of time. Third, it's a waste of my effort. Fourth, bila I pakai eyeliner, I rasa my eyes jadi kecil. I don't like that. So, no eyeliner for me. I did a poll back then. Some of you guys pun ada juga yang macam I tak suka bubuk eyeliner. So, in order to compensate that, kita bagi dramatic kita punya mascara, okay? Oops, dah comot sikit, but not to worry. Biar je dia comot kat situ, nanti kita nyahkan dia. Yang comot tadi, don't worry, just take your cotton bud. Dah, settle. So take your big fluffy brush and kita take off the powder tadi. Set our base. So next kita akan buat brows. I'm using this NYX eyebrow cake powder. I pernah guna pomade, but I don't like pomade. So I'm gonna use this kind of brush. Spoolie. I selalu tengok YouTube Wayne Goss. He's a professional mua. He teaches techniques tau. No BS, just techniques. He's amazing. So you guys have to check him out, okay? I love this concealer from NYX sebab dia murah and it serves its purpose. I'm using this brush. Wayne Goss kata brush kena selalu up macam ni untuk masa conceal your brows. Although I banyak tengok makeup techniques videos, but I'm still lousy. So please jangan macam yalah tengok Wayne Goss lah, tengok teknik siapa lah, tapi still lousy. Yeah, I know I'm still lousy. I know. I'm just sharing with you guys, okay? I know you guys lagi terror dari I. So yeah. Baru je cakap lousy tadi kan. Kau tengok concealer dah pergi ke tempat eyeshadow ku yang cantik tu. That's it. Lepas ni I'm gonna do my brows first. I tahu I cakap tadi kena hold your brush ke atas, but this one I memang tak boleh. You guys have any suggestion for me ke, for improvement ke apa ke, please feel free to comment down below. Okay, I take constructive criticism. Just look at my eyeshadow yang cacat. Tanya. Okay, cun. Contour part, I'm using contour kit from NYX juga. I love this brand, man. Murah dan bagus. Okay. I pernah contour sampai sini. I think ini pun dah macam dia try correct kan. I pakai ni. And then for nose, I'm using this brush. Start from here. I'm just gonna put sikit je. Tak nak nampak sangat yang I memang contour hidung. Alamak, tu pun dah ternampak. Okay, what should we do guys? What should we do? Oh no, this is big problem man. Aduh, ternampak pula. Part ni selalu problem tau. Tak faham tu. Okay kan, dah kurang kan? Okay, cun. Okay, dah cun. Right. Now kita highlight pula. Still using the same kit. Supposedly letak dekat cheekbone, but as you can see, I have no cheekbone. Now, my favorite part, blusher. This is blusher from Maybelline, Code 4 blusher brush. So, I learned this technique on YouTube. Blusher, you kena letak in between highlight and contour. So, mix them up. Macam ni. I like to also letak dekat hidung sikit, dahi sikit, sini sikit. Comel-comel gitulah. Macam rasa semua. Alah, comelnya dia rasa semua. Macam tu. Okay. So last but not least ialah lipstick. My lipstick is from Nita Cosmetics in Jambu Eyes. And then I like to mix with City Girl Matte Junkie in Darling 06. Yeah, 06. Okay, so that is all for my makeup. Oh, lupa. So jangan lupa untuk set dia. Okay, so that's it you guys. Thank you so much for tengok sampai habis. I hope you guys enjoy and maybe ada belajar a thing or two. Kalau korang ada nak suggest to me ada better techniques ke, please comment down below. And also I intend this video untuk macam sharing lah, educational. I bukan muak, I bukan sifu ke apa, just share apa yang I tahu lah. Okay, so this is the final look. Thank you very much for tuning in. InsyaAllah next time I buat video, maybe kita boleh make up and then kita pergi taman ke, kita tengok crab ke tak apa semua. Okay, alright, bye guys, till next time.